At Dakota Automation, our robotic expertise extends beyond robot integration. Our value add lies in our ability to marry hard automation with robotic integration to deliver custom turnkey solutions. This fully automated work cell is a prime example of the Dakota Automation difference. Parts are bowl-fed and singulated at the system infeed before being placed in the robot end of tool. Part orientation is verified before the completed parts are removed and the verified parts are placed into the custom precision grinder for processing. The completed parts are dropped into the outfeed chute and the process is repeated. It's custom turnkey systems like these that have made Dakota Automation a partner of choice for a variety of industries for over 20 years. It's automation with innovation at Dakota Automation.